6 minus 1 equals 5. And again here we have 6 minus 1, which equals 5. And 5 times 5 gives us 25. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication. And we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. So first we have to do this parentheses. And after this parentheses, we have one multiplication and one subtraction. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first this parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If you do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. Inside this parentheses, we have 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. Okay, so 6 minus 1 times 5. Now we have to do this multiplication. 1 times 5 is just 5. So 6 minus 5 gives us 1. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1.